If you are doing the right things and still feel behind, this video is for you. You are showing up, you are improving your skills, you are being consistent, but progress feels quiet, almost invisible. Other people seem to move faster. They get recognized sooner. They look like they are winning publicly. And it makes you wonder if you are missing something or doing something wrong. Most of the time, you are not. Quiet progress doesn't create feedback. No applause, no instant signals, no visible proof you are on track. That's uncomfortable for professionals who care about doing things properly. Because when effort isn't reflected externally, self-doubt fills the gap. But lack of noise doesn't mean lack of progress. It just means the work you're doing compounds later. Many professionals were trained in environments where effort was rewarded quickly, visibility mattered, feedback was constant. Quiet growth breaks that pattern. You put in work today, and the result might not show for months. That delay feels like failure, even when it isn't. Loud progress creates signals. Updates, announcements, movement. It looks like acceleration. But loud progress often depends on momentum, not leverage. Once momentum slows, so does everything else. Quiet progress doesn't spike, but it doesn't collapse either. There is a phase almost no one talks about. You are competent enough to know what matters, but not visible enough to be recognized. This is where most professionals either start chasing a noise or abandon the path entirely. Quiet growth requires staying here longer than feels reasonable. That's the cost of durability. Introverted professionals tend to internalize progress, minimize self-promotion, focus on accuracy over exposure. This makes progress harder to see even to yourself. But it also builds a foundation that doesn't need constant reinforcement. You don't rely on momentum, you rely on competence. Even when nothing seems to be happening. Several things are compounding. Your judgment improves. Your decisions take less effort. Your work becomes easier to trust. These don't show up as milestones. They show up as fewer problems later. Comparing quiet progress to loud outcomes is misleading. You are measuring internal growth against external signals. Those operate on different timelines. Quiet growth always looks slow when compared incorrectly. Eventually, something shifts. People start asking for your opinion. Opportunities appear with less effort. Pricing resistance drops. From the outside, it looks sudden. From the inside, it feels overdue. That's the compound effect surfacing. Staying quiet isn't the same as waiting. You are still refining skills, reducing friction, increasing leverage. You are just not performing it publicly. That restraint is what keeps growth sustainable. When progress feels invisible, don't add noise. Don't speed up unnecessarily. Don't abandon depth. Invisible progress is often the most valuable kind. If your building feels slow, that doesn't mean it's wrong. Quiet growth works differently. It doesn't announce itself early. It doesn't reward impatience, but it lasts. And when it shows up, it usually changes everything at once.